This is the second chapter of Kinetics, your toolbox for NMR reaction monitoring data analysis. This chapter is dedicated to peak tracking and multi-spectra display. It includes waterfall plots and superimposed spectra view, with a wide variety of colour schemes to maximise impact. Start by dragging the processed data folder to the Kinetics method. Before generating a stack plot, expand the region of interest and adjust the spectrum vertical scale with the mouse wheel. Right-click and select Stacked Plot. The plot height and width can be adjusted by either using the menu options and moving the cursor, or by using the control panel on the left-hand side. Now go back to Single Spectrum View by right-clicking and selecting Stacked Plot. Right-click and check All Spectra On to get a superimposed view of the spectra. They can be pulled apart with the icon on the top. Use the slider to travel across the time domain. The active spectrum turns red. The spectrum number is shown at the bottom left corner. Now go back to Spectrum 1. Right-click and tick User-Defined Colour Ramp to change the colour scheme. Choose the colour for the first spectrum and for the last. Use the same icon as before to change the distance between spectra and generate the desired view. Collapse them all and go back to Single Spectrum View. Now right-click, select Add Multiple Integration Areas and click and drag over the aromatic signals. Press Stop when finished. By moving the slider, we can see that the integrals defined in the first spectrum have been propagated to all spectra, following the movement of the signals. Use the slider to find a spectrum where intermediates are visible. Expand the aliphatic region. Right-click. Select Add Multiple Integration Areas and click and drag over the aliphatic signals of interest. Press Stop when you finish. Then use the slider to move across spectra. First, backwards to Spectrum 1, then forwards until the last spectrum. The signals have been correctly tracked. Click on Analysis and check Error Estimated by Weight Fit. Then on View and Cumulative Fit Curves. Under the Details tab, set the Line Width to Fit Curve to 0. And under Units and Labels, Hours as X unit. Visualize the kinetic profiles by moving the cursor over the peaks. Once all the profiles are displayed, right-click and check Toggle Full Display to get a full-screen view. Right-click and select Delete Curves. The green, orange and blue curves will be deleted. Right-click and select Colours and Symbols. Change, for example, the colour of Profile 6 to green. And also change the colour of Profile 4 to blue. Due to overlapping, some points in Profile 7 are off. Right-click on one of them and choose Delete Point to delete one point, or Delete Points in Range to delete several at the same time. The curve fitting will be automatically recalculated. At this point, we are ready for reporting. Click on Report and set a path to get a PDF with the summary of your work. The report shows the spectrum view that was on screen, the reaction rates, overlapped profiles, and the fitting results. And that's all for Chapter 2. I hope you enjoyed it, and Chapter 3 is coming soon.